So, welcome to part two in this Circle of Fifths series. And today we're going to show how to transpose, is the term, but to change keys of a song. So, how to easily change the key of any song on guitar. And this is such a wonderful, wonderful tool for that, to just quickly be able to glance at it and do it. Like it's great to memorize the information as well, but I'll be honest with you, I don't have everything super memorized like a professional concert pianist or something. I don't memorize every single note and every single scale. I can't just tell you that right off the top of my head. The basic ones, sure, but once you get into like the flats and sharps and stuff, I don't have all that stuff memorized right off the top of my head. I could probably figure it out pretty quick because I know the formulas, but you don't have to memorize everything. Remember that the knowledge is only to be helpful for you to be creative and to have fun and to enjoy, right? Enjoy creating and playing music, right? Remember, don't make it a drudgery. Don't make it a chore, right? Make it fun. Enjoy. So